because you too
It's where the blue fits. That's paradise.
Okay. Next time we'll have the real thing.
That's not funny.
No, there's something I haven't heard about in a long time.
Since I live and die, I'm here standing on the edge. Staring up at where I know should be.
Wolves.
Stay out of my...
They say there's no such place as... Even if you search to the ends of
Coney Island Disco Palace!
there's nothing there.
It's hard for me to explain why that was. Just take my word for it.
No matter how far you... it's always the same road. It just goes...
Over 9,000!
But in spite of that, why am I so driven to find it? Rain, rain, go away, come again another. Mommy wants to... Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come again another. Brother wants to... Rain, rain, go away.
It smelled like something interesting was gonna happen, and I just followed my... you know?
Ah, that kind of sucks, huh?
Something about or something like that, you know?
Have you given up your as a wolf?
You're a strange one, all right. But having doesn't count for much if you're...
Away.
Man, you really screwed up. I mean, I've seen this get before, but never this badly.
A voice calls to me. It says,
Just seems like I was here yesterday. I was.
You think it's a... It may look like... But it's not. It's... You don't honestly believe that we those from the face of the planet, do you, detective? I gotta stop him before he clobbers Luigi.
Wolves.
Four. Three, okay.
Don't touch me!